It's the music that we choose. It's the music that we choose. It's the music that we choose. It's the music that we choose.
Basketball is fun, but fundraising, not so much. When combined, we had a successful event raising money to defeat malaria. Many pairs competed in this year's Stewart Hall Nothing But Nets basketball tournament and showed great skill and talent while having a great time doing so. In a nutshell, Nothing But Nets is an annual friends and family get-together fundraiser for those who love playing basketball and playing in small competitions. The competition has become an annual tradition at Stewart Hall High School with a long list of champions. The Nothing But Nets competition is not only affiliated with Stewart Hall, but with many other people and organizations who all work to help raise money and bring attention to the tournament's real goal, the fight against malaria. Malaria kills hundreds of thousands of people each year and is spread by infected mosquitoes. The eradication of malaria is part of the 6th Millennium Development Goal made by the United Nations during the turn of the 21st century. Malaria can be easily prevented by placing insect nets around beds to prevent mosquitoes from biting and infecting a sleeping person. These nets cost only $10 a piece, a relatively small amount considering the benefits of preventing malaria are huge. The United Nations has made great strides in the fight to eradicate malaria, but many in developing areas in Africa are still endangered by the disease and are in desperate need. The result of many small donations and fundraisers like Nothing But Nets makes it possible to further prevent the dangers of malaria. Our annual competition is a great way to represent Stewart Hall's stewardship and willingness to help others while having a great time. The players who participated in this year's tournament were playing not just for themselves, but for a great cause.